Today, there are more than 8.5 million healthcare practitioners in the United States. These caregivers spend hours on their feet, walking upwards of 4 miles during an average shift. And the constant movement creates a noisy environment. That's why we developed Rejuvenations Restore, a product designed specifically for the needs of the healthcare industry. We studied comfort and sound, both primary concerns of patients and caregivers. Rejuvenations Restore is constructed with a comfort base layer to reduce foot and leg fatigue and joint impact, so focus remains on the patient and not on aching feet and joints. We studied the mechanics of walking and found that Restore reduced peak ground reaction force during the loading phase by an average of 4% of body weight, compared to 2mm rubber flooring. For a 150-pound person, that's a reduction of 6 pounds per step. Participants experienced less overall tiredness, leg tiredness, knee and feet discomfort, and significantly lower cumulative discomfort in their feet while walking on Restore. In addition to comfort underfoot, Rejuvenations Restore also helps control sound transmissions and surface-generated noise. A calm, quiet environment is critical to the healing process. Restore can help control sound transmission and surface-generated noise to maintain privacy and create a soothing space. Rejuvenations Restore, a no-polish, low-maintenance solution made with Diamond 10 technology coating that provides the right balance of performance and comfort underfoot.